Hello everybody. I went ahead and created a prototype of our student enrollment system. There was a lot of confusion about where the menus for transferring and a lot of the stuff where it needed to go from option 1 to option 2, etc., and how could it come back to whatever. Anyway, I went ahead and I created a little prototype here. Okay, and let me show you what we got. This is our main menu. I did not include the login menu, but notice it has the alphabetical list of contents for courses, courses enrolled in, register for a course, and unregister for a course. So here, a user can select option 1, view alphabetical list, and then they will go here and they will enter a line number for the course they want. Now this is not complete, so I just went ahead and I put some filler courses in there, but here it comes. Let's say, for example, they entered option 1. Okay, they would automatically go to view courses enrolled in, okay, and see that they got it. And then when they're done, they enter X and they come back to where they were. Then they can enter another course, and all the courses that they're enrolled in will display. If they want to unregister for a course, they just enter the number and it goes away. All right, now let's go back to the previous screen. And let me go back to the main menu now. Remember that here's view alphabetical list of courses. Now, in register for a course, they have to go to alphabetical list. So let's see if that works. Yes, it does. Are they actually able to enter enroll in courses? Yes, there they are. Can they still delete? Yes, they can. And is it going to go back to the alphabetical list? Yes, it does. Okay, and then let's go back to the main menu. Now, let's go back and view option 1 just as a recap. Here's the alphabetical list. They enter a course, and then they go back to where they came from, which is alphabetical list. They go back to where they came from, which is the main menu. Now, option 2, view courses enrolled in. Automatically throws them into here, view courses enrolled in, and it shows them all the courses that they have. They're still able to delete. And when they hit X, they're going to go back to where they came from. The previous screen, in this case, would be main menu. There it is. Then we have option 4, unregister for a course. So, in order for them to unregister for a course, they've got to go to view courses enrolled in. They can't drop anything they're not assigned to. And here they go. They can drop 1, 2, 3, and then go back to the main menu or the previous screen, wherever they came from. Okay, and that's it. And then once they're done, then they hit enter X to exit or Y to confirm. I'll hit Y. If they hit an invalid option, which I just did, let's say a D for something, for example, it's an invalid option. Here's a G, here's a J. Okay, that's all gone. Same thing happens when you come down here. Okay, if you enter an F or something, it's an invalid option. That kind of thing, and then exit, go back to main menu. All the screens have those kinds of edits in place, just to keep the user honest. Anyway, after everything is done, then what will happen is they can either obviously enter X to exit without saving, or Y to confirm registration. At this point in time for our prototype, we have not done the login method, so we don't have the file to update what they have. So I will just enter, I can either enter X or Y at this point, because it's only the prototype, and I will exit. And it will say, thank you for your business. Give you an example again. If I do a Y, he's still going to say the same thing. Thank you for your business. And that is the end of the demo.